Hey guys, we received this SOVMIKU cellular security camera wireless outdoor. So this is a 4G model, means you can use a SIM card or the mobile connection for its connectivity. So you can use it anywhere where even there is no Wi-Fi, and you can easily access the data with the SIM card. So let me just open everything. So this is the solar panel thing. So this have the solar panel to power it, and also this is the camera and stuff. So let me just take out everything here. So this is the main camera as you can see. So let me just take out all this protective stuff. And this one is here, like the top you will see there is a slot for a SIM card and a slot for the micro SD card. So this is the SIM card that you can use. So one SIM card comes with it that cost around some money per month. So you have to pay for that SIM card thing. And then there is a micro SD card as well. This is the power cable. So that is a USB-C cable. So either you can charge directly or you can use this solar panel to give the power to this camera. So here, just put and for the water seal leak thing, this goes completely inside and secure it so that no water will go inside. And then there is this antennas and then the back or the you can use this stand for the solar panel if you want to just put it on the wall. So basically, there's two stand, one for the camera and one for the solar one. There's also the different charging cables if you want to use directly or the different set in here. So this one goes on the for the camera if you want to hold it on the back so that it can easily rotate and hold its position, and the cable will go from here. So as you can see, the fittings and everything that goes, and you can hold this on the wall. And for the indoor, you can also use. So you need to use this Vico Home app and add this camera in here. Once this is added, it can be used, and you need the subscription for the